guys, so it's me, Kiani, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little teeny weeny haul from the products that I picked up at IMATS LA. So what I did was actually wrote down some of the things that I knew that I wanted to zero in on, because if you didn't know, I am on tour with Stylus yet again this year. We typically go to different trade shows, and that means that I'm usually working when I go to these trade shows. But I did write myself a little bit of notes of things that I was running low on that I wanted to make sure that I brought back to the East Coast with me. And then I definitely wanted to zero in on products that were brand new, because I think in 2020 I want to show you guys things that are new that I'm really using, and really kind of get back to the basics, shall we say. That way I'm not so overwhelmed with products that I brought back, but there's really no place in my routine for them. So let's just say that 2020 we're going to leave room for growth, shall we? Also, with this concept, I really have given myself about 5 or 6 categories of products that I'm going to be looking for on every show, so therefore I can kind of come back and give you guys a little bit of a mini recap, shall we say, on what happened over the weekend and what products I found. That way we can all stay in tune together of what's going on, because this makeup game, honey, she's moving real quick. If you haven't started following me on Instagram, that's where you can catch me the most. Love_Kiani on Instagram, because you'll get a chance to see me behind the scenes while I'm not doing show life. Get a little snippet of what my family life is like, and you'll also know why my hair looks like this when I'm at home and like this when I'm doing shows. If you guys are here for this thumbnail and this hair, honey, don't worry, I'm giving you an updated hair routine. It's going to be coming out next. But just know, Mama's trying to get over jet lag. So trust me, you want me to record today and edit tomorrow. Okay? So without further ado, if you want to see the products that I picked up at IMATS LA, just keep on watching. So first on my list, the first thing that I purchased when I was at IMATS LA was my products from Melanie Mills. Oh my God, you guys heard me talk about Melanie Mills so much last year that you probably want to shoot me. No, I won't say that. But I definitely had a lot of you ask me what colors did you think that you needed in these Melanie Mills. So I'm going to leave her link in the description box. But Melanie has come out with a collaboration of brushes, and her brushes are with Omnia. This is the brush MM01, Melanie Mills 01. So by this being 01, that means she's going to be coming out with some other ones. Take it from me, I got the inside scoop, okay? So, Melanie's brush. Oh my God, when I saw that she was coming out with brushes, I was like, yes! Because bridal season is here, it's around the corner for me. I'm starting bridal season in February, and Mama loves her brides to gleam. And so this is what the brush looks like. It's absolutely stunning. It's in this beautiful rose gold color, and this is one of the brushes that I use with the Gleam Body Radiance product. So this is something that I'm going to keep new and fresh for my clients that are going to become brides. So make sure that you go in the description box if you know anyone on the East Coast, or you know what, West Coast, internationally, that wants to get her face beat by me. Go ahead and check the link in the description box. There'll be room there for you to book. So yes, Melanie came out with the brush. I went and gave her my coin, honey, because I support this brand. I love what she's doing, and she came out with the brush to go with one of my favorite skin products, so we purchased her. She also gave me a Lip Radiance by Melanie Mills. It is a lip gloss. I'm super excited to try this. This was actually a free gift with purchase, so that's in my bag. So we talked about Melanie. I don't know if I actually mentioned. So we're going to start categorizing what products these fall in. But just know, makeup is one of those things that it falls in whatever category you want it to fall into. But I'm going to consider this a foundation, okay? Because there were no other foundations that were in this haul. So if you're looking for a foundation, start with Melanie. And she just gave us a great tool. So foundation and tools, check. Next, I have to talk about Cosette. You guys, I don't know if there's been a makeup video that I've done in 2019 or actually 2018. Well, we'll say 2019 for sure. That wasn't being finished by my Cosette Powders. Well, Mama recognized that she was about to hit pan on her G5, which is my typical face powder. So I purchased this myself. Now, if you really know me, you know I don't just buy makeup for the fun of it. Like that was Kiani, beginning of her YouTube career. But now I really stick for products that are going to maintain staples, that they haven't given me an issue, that I can always count on them. They can always fit in my travel bag. I can always be photo ready. So if you're looking for an amazing line of skin products, finishing products, check no further than Cosette. And again, if you were following me on Instagram, you saw the amazing work that Rocky Cosette did for IMATS LA. It was in my stories. And honey, when I tell you he can snatch your face like nobody else, so if I can bring a little bit of Rocky Cosette home with me, why wouldn't I? And why wouldn't you? So that was also purchased by me from IMATS LA. Next, let's move on to color. Now these products were gifted by another one of my brands that you guys probably have heard me talk about, the Mora makeup removing wipes and their concealer. I was gifted the G6 by Mora Cosmetics. I am absolutely obsessed with this concealer, and it's mainly because this shade really does anchor my eyebrows. When I slap them on, I can clean them up without anyone noticing that I just really threw them on. I'm obsessed with this concealer. So they gifted me that, and I also was gifted one of their Glow and Gleam eyeshadow palettes. There were 4 new palettes. I want to say, you guys know that in 2019, eyeshadow palettes went absolutely bananas. So I didn't want to pick up something that I didn't think I was actually going to use. So I stuck with the ones that are beautiful and neutral. I'm not going to dip into it. I'm just going to hold out on hope that you guys are going to subscribe to my channel to see me put this in a video, and then we'll probably do one of those test to invest. Okay, it's probably going to end up in one of those series. The shades are absolutely stunning. It's in a beautiful butterfly mosaic. I just stuck with shades that I knew, if they do work, that I'm going to enjoy using, and this palette is small enough for me to travel with, so it came all the way home to the East Coast with me. Thanks so much to Mora Cosmetics for gifting that palette and that concealer. Next up, I was gifted some amazing pieces from Ography. You have heard me talk about Ography's products. I love their, I want to say Dusk to Dawn eyeshadow palette. The palette was very, very small, but it had a lot of bang for the buck. You've also heard me talk about the Ography Skin Hydrating Mask. Oh my God, this is one of the main products that I use in my lives before I start my lives. So you've heard me talk about Ography. They also brought us some amazing new color products for 2020. Let's just take a look at them, shall we? I received a nail file from Ography. How do they know? I'm always with a hangnail. I was gifted their cleansing and smoothing wipes. And can I tell you that when I was cleaning off my hands at IMATS, I did have a chance to try these. I was really, really impressed. I was gifted 2 different Crystal Glide liquid eyeshadows. Oh my God. These put me in the mind of the Stylus glitter eyeshadows. I am obsessed with them. So I have the shade here, Garnet. And then I also received the shade called Citrine. I want to say there were 8 to 10 different shades, so I chose 2 that I know that could actually fit in my normal routine. This is something, the Citrine is one that I feel like I will wear even in the middle of the day, like something like this. Look at that, just for beautiful tear up. Like, I'm never wrong. I am never wrong. Even when I'm wrong, I'm never wrong. So that's the shade Citrine. Oh my God, that's stunning. And let's take a look at this shade called Garnet. Like, I'm in it now. So where can I make her work? Let's just top a little bit. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Just a little bit of something. So I could almost use these as a liner. Isn't that gorgeous? So I was gifted those. I know I digress and get off task, but I'm just trying to show you guys what's going on. And then they gifted me the Shadow Stylus crayons, because there are days that I just want to be lazy, but I want a little bit of something. So these are crayons with beautiful amounts of color. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I love colors like this. Look at that. Super easy to add in that inner tear duct area. Very, very easy to add on the upper lash line. This shade was called Copper. And then I asked for the shade called, her name is Moss. I absolutely love colors like this, especially going into spring. They're really easy to apply. So you have Copper and Moss, just so. I love adding colors like this, especially when I'm wearing like a tight bun. I'm actually going through the airport. Something that's really, really easy to apply and not horribly hard to get off. So I'm looking forward to trying those. And then they also came out with their fabric textured lipsticks. Now, you guys know that I launched my own liquid lipstick company called Lip Tricks. But whereas Lip Tricks is designed to hold glitter, it's also designed to hold anything else that goes over top. So, oh my God, this packaging is so gorgeous. So I'm interested to try any lipsticks that come from other companies that I can use my liquid lipsticks as the lip liner. So why not try what Ography has? This one is called Citrine, and I'm obsessed with the packaging right now. But I'm just going to swatch her. Ooh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited to try her. This is the second shade, and her name is Chiffon. Oh my God, I can tell right now Chiffon is going to be my favorite shade. I can already tell. I think Chiffon and Sateen would make beautiful toppers. They would work well together, like as an ombre lip. Loving those. Loving, loving, loving. So with the makeup removing wipes and the color from Ography, we've checked off 2 categories: skincare and color. So check and check. Now, I was also gifted toward the end of the show some beautiful lashes from Modern Glow Lashes. They gave me 2 beautiful styles. We have the Darling, and the Darling are the long pixelated lashes, and I was also gifted the Glow Lashes, which are going to be a little bit more short, dense, everyday lash. So super excited to try these by Modern Lash. So if we want to talk about extraness, check. I found that at IMATS LA as well. And lastly, the thing that I want to say of everything that I'm most excited about that I received from IMATS LA is this beautiful new skin oil by Makir. It's in Albanian and it's supposed to mean healing. And wait for it, you guys. This is a beautiful new facial oil that you want to start to hear more about. Whereas I was gifted some makeup removing wipes. You guys know that I love a good soothing mask and then putting on a good oil. And typically I go in with my advanced night repair. But I am going to tell you, this oil made the biggest difference on my dry hands just from one use. I'm super excited to be trying this. And of course, I did pick up a few brushes from Stylus. I want to actually make sure that I got back to my roots, you guys, in 2020 to share with you guys a little bit of what we saw at the shows that I'm going to be traveling to, the things that are going to keep me out of the studio, that are going to keep me inspired. This time it was IMATS LA. In a few weeks, I will be hitting up ICE, which is the International Aesthetic Spa Convention Show. So I'll be headed back to LA in a few weeks. So yeah, that will conclude my mini haul from IMATS LA. What do you think of the products that I brought back? I mean, we do have a few more categories that I didn't get a chance to touch, such as, we didn't touch any brow products. We didn't touch any contouring products. We really didn't touch any foundation products. So I have some work to do, you know, because we're trying to figure out what's best and new in 2020. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed. Comment down below on what was your favorite product that I've mentioned. What thing are you most interested to see me dive into on my channel? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I have no idea why. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, click the bell for post notifications so every time I upload, you are notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.